Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is creative, unique and pretty in itself because in this video I am sharing a beautiful wide variety and a very beautiful mixture and blend of long hand embroidered neckline design ideas. Long and broad hand embroidered neckline design ideas are our today's theme, and friends who are in search of very beautiful, stylish, elegant and designer pattern based ethnic wear, then friends this video collection is absolutely for you. And you can say that this embroidery collection ideas of hand patterns, handmade, hand woven, handcrafted ideas, needlework are absolutely beautiful, best and creative. You can say feast, or you can say party, or you can say treat for the ones who are living outside the Asian countries, like they are apart from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and they are absolute lovers of Eastern dresses. They are absolute lover of ethnic dresses. Then friends, absolutely you are at a right platform. This video's collection is absolutely for you, and you cannot make only these patterns onto your dresses. You can make these patterns onto your abayas, gowns, jalebias as well. So a very beautiful touch for Arabian loving background girls like Nigerian, Lebanese, like Iraqi persons, like Yemeni, like Iranian, like Afghanis, Pakistanis and Indians as well. So this video collection has a wide variety of lovers, productivity of getters. So do try these patterns, and the beauty is this, that you can make these patterns with the help of hand embroidery, with the help of machine embroidery, with the art of computer digital embroidery as well. So these are the different perspectives and scopes for the one useful creativity of design patterns. So stay tuned for latest upcoming new trendy videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves. Hope to see you soon back in my video. Up till then, new videos, updated videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, love yourselves, spread positivity and be positive.